Welcome back to the channel, folks. My name's Anthony. Today I'm fishing with the folks from Advanced Taxidermy. Right here is Roy.
Hello.
And we're gonna catch some fish with Chaser from Chaser Baits and Sean right there. Stay tuned, everybody. Over here with the man himself.
Hey, what's up?
Chase from Chaser Lures.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, we're gonna slay him today.
Hey there, what's up? Just can't wait to go fishing. Woo!
Slay them all. Ain't that right, Sean?
Yeah.
We're gonna kick some fish butt.
Yeah.
Right
Cool
on.
stuff.
That pond is really tempting.
Go down there. Oh, they're gone. There's some more in there. James, go ahead. I'm gonna go look.
Little bass cruising along there. Hey, Sean.
That didn't take long.
Oh yeah.
You wanna taste the lure?
Yep. First cast of the day, this little largie.
That didn't take long at all.
Just followed it in.
See, Chase, your lures work, man.
Chaser Baits gets the job done. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. That was not hard at all. Just release these ones, right? Sean? Just release these, right? Okay. No. Right there? A little bit. Sure. Same. First bass of the day. There, just caught a fish.
Another wee little guy.
Uh-huh. Very nice.
Let's get a giant guy.
Sean.
Got one.
Yep.
Nice one.
There you go on the
Nice.
purple. Haha. On the gilly too.
Look at that, guys. Second bass for me of the day. James is hooked up.
Oh.
Oh yeah, he's a beauty.
We got him.
Got him.
I'm going in.
There's
no
another
matter
one
what.
right there too.
Nice fish. Okay, Chase. You got him. You got him.
And there's another big one.
Oh, look
following
at the
it,
big
too.
one following him. Jeez.
Oh yeah. Oh. This is Bass Haven.
It's that lure, man. I'm telling you, Chase's lures just knock them out of the park.
Exactly. Do you think these lures, Chaser's lures, they catch fish? Oh, check that out, guys. Third bass for me of the day at this pond. You get a release on this fella? catch some more, keep on slaying them. There he goes. Healthy bass. Amazing catch. Guys, fish on, I got a big one. Yeah, I think so.
That fish to the net over here.
Grab the net.
You got him on the Cinco. Oh boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go, Sean.
I'm gonna go for a swim, I think. Got him.
Nice.
We got him.
Woo.
Yeah.
That one is very good size.
Beautiful color too.
Solid bass. I'll grab it.
Okay, yeah, you get the fish.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations. Let's get rid of the rod. Makes them go past you, Dad.
Yeah. Time for the camera? Look at that, guys. That is an incredible fish, Chase. On the Senko. Pretty fish. There he goes. Need that?
I don't care if I was Not bad, not bad. The Cinco again. Alright. Show everybody exactly what we were catching them on. The Cinco setup.
With that ring attached?
Yeah, the ring, obviously, that's what holds the...
They're Chase's 5-inch stick worms.
Okay, those, yeah, they're called 5-inch stickworms.
5-inch stick worms. That's the correction.
Yeah, sorry, guys.
A few moments later.
Got him! Alright.
Very nice.
I don't want to drag them up again with that. Okay, maybe not the biggest one yet. Whoa. Terrible.
He's a good idiot.
Terrible. We're terrible at this. Sorry, guys.
That's actually a really good picture.
Here, you want to get a picture with the
Senko.
5-inch, whatever you call it in?
Call it a bass worm, chaser worm.
Very nice.
All right, you
On
want to hold him,
Senko.
Chase?
Very nice. Then Sean's fish.
Not mine. Chase caught it.
Right.
Okay, we'll let this
Sean's
guy back
holding
in.
it. There he goes. There he goes. Thank you, Sean.
No worries.
No, that's the new one. I can't move.
You can't move him.
Chase is hooked up again.
Oh, yeah.
Good fish.
Oh yeah.
That reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean level.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Hang on. He's stuck. He's off. No, he's still there. He's still there. Keep coming. Keep coming. We got him.
Very nice.
Nice. Here, grab the net, guys. Nice fish. Look at the gut on him, dude. He's a beast. Holy.
Holy mackerel.
Okay. Whoops. Sorry, guys.
Look at that, Chase.
This is a mess here.
Chase just caught another biggin.
Another beast. I can see him a bit better. There you go.
Can you hold it up?
Get a release on this one. Like a football.
Gone. Oh yeah. On the purple gilly. That's a beast, man. You want me to go down and get it, or you got it? You got it.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
The best bass fishing here in Canada.
Isn't it crazy?
On Chase's lures. I'm telling you guys, these things catch fish. Look at that, guys. Could not be any happier. Gonna get it with picture with here with Chase. On this guy's lure. Chase, want to hold it for a second as well?
Nice, that's great.
That's beautiful. You want to throw it back?
That you?
Feather stuck to it. Can I get that ripped off of the craw?
All right. Another bass here. Yeah, that's good. Look at that, guys. Another fantastic bass. Fly in my face. Let's get the picture with Chase now too.
Sure.
Yet again. He's the boss. Very nice. Amazing. And the sunset too.
Really nice.
Release this fella. Swim. Ooh. Another one caught here by Chase himself. Look at that, guys. Sean and Chase. Just look at the camera. This could not be an even better picture than that. Look at this father-son duo. All right. Want to get a release on that fella?
Yeah, let's get him going.
Right before the end of the day. Another bass right here.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Should we release this one or
You may as well keep that one.
fair size?
It's about the size that he
Guys,
wants.
and off the day with this pond with the final catch of the day. Another little largie right here. Big thanks goes to Chase, James, and Sean for taking me out to their friend's pond today. Amazing, just a super generous offer. Thank you ever so much. I deeply appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next episode, guys. Tight lines.